Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious grape sorbet at home. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of fresh grapes, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. Make sure your grapes are ripe for the best flavor. You'll also need a blender and an ice cream maker to achieve that perfect, smooth texture. This simple recipe is a fantastic way to enjoy a refreshing treat. Next, thoroughly wash and destem your 2 pounds of grapes. Place them into your blender with 1/2 cup of water. Blend the mixture until it's completely smooth, ensuring no large pieces remain. After blending, strain the grape mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl. This step is crucial for removing any skins or seeds, giving your sorbet a wonderfully smooth consistency. Now take your strained grape juice and stir in 1/2 cup of sugar until it fully dissolves. Once combined, cover the mixture and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours. This chilling step is vital for the sorbet to freeze properly. After chilling, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and churn it for about 20 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Finally, transfer your freshly churned grape sorbet into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours to allow it to firm up completely. Once frozen, scoop and enjoy your homemade, refreshing grape sorbet. It's the perfect treat for a warm day. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.